Hey guys, as you know, I'm playing in Krakow, round 3 of the tournament, and it didn't go the best, so let me show you. We are playing the Catalan. I intentionally didn't play knight to c3 to avoid the queen's gambit, because I wanted to play the Catalan. Bishop g2, castles, the best computer move queen to c2, and here I decided to play rook to d1, which is the best computer move. I'm quite shocked. Knight c3, exchange everything, and knight to e5. Why? Well, I want to open up the bishop and look at the knight with this knight. So we exchange and I end up winning a pawn. And it's actually 0-0 because if he plays here, I can play e3, but then he exchanges and plays rook to d8, I think. And that's literally 0-0 because he's a pawn. I am a pawn up, but he's got very active rooks, and yeah, just a draw. But he wanted to avoid the queen exchange, which was weird for me, in my opinion. I played queen d3, a3, just kicking him out. And here, possibly my mistake, b4 instead of a4. But I don't think that's much of a difference, especially because computer says it's not. I play e3, and here I completely missed queen to b2. It was such a random move for me. I decided to play, and you know, the threat is that he's gonna go here and also rook to c2. So here and here. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna defend, but then you're gonna go here, and what are you gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna defend like this. I didn't even think about this. It's a joke. Exactly, I mean, this rook is amazing here. Wow. I'm not really creative. Missing things like those, okay. And here again, I'm now super active, still a pawn up. In rook endgames, in double rook endgames, if you're a pawn up, it doesn't matter a lot. But look at my activity, and yeah, I mean, we are in position where I have 2 minutes on the clock. My opponent has 7 minutes on the clock, and it's move 36. On move 40, we're gonna get additional 30 minutes. But you know what? I'm focused on attacking him, thinking how to get the pawn. And now looking at rook to c4, I thought that this is the best move for him. Rook to c4 next. Let's say I play h4. No. Let's say I play f4. He plays rook to c4 and I'm not alright. So I played rook to d4, and you know what? I missed rook to c2. I don't know, on a blitz game I would never miss something like this. But in classical I missed the easiest stuff. And here I am losing a pawn, right? So I take, and he offers me a draw, I accept it. If there is a person who's gonna win this game, it's gonna be him rather than me. Because, yeah, he's got a passed pawn. It's a draw, obviously it's a draw, but he has higher chances of winning if I blunder or something like this, and yeah, I just accept the draw. So thank you for watching, and I mean this tournament is a disaster for me, to be honest. Bye.